Hey guys, how we doing today? Welcome back to Let Us Stray. My name is Mike, and today we're going to be replacing your rubber D-seals on your slide outs. It's a fairly simple process. I'm going to walk you through it. For today's project, you're going to need your rubber D-seal, rag, rubber seal conditioner, WD-40, a razor blade, and also a screwdriver. Oh, and a ladder. Okay, before we get started, just going to prep the other side of the slide. Because that old rubber D-seal was deteriorating so much, it actually stuck. So when the slide was coming in and out, it was pulling on it. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like, and then we're going to take some WD-40 and a rag and clean it up. Okay, so most of it is coming off pretty easily. This part here is a little thicker, so I'm going to let that WD-40 soak in, and then I'm going to take this scraper here and then just scrape it off, and we should be good to go. Okay, so we're here at the slide, and the rubber D-seal is going to be right over here, and this is the one we're going to be replacing. This one is more or less just a buffer for the slide when it comes in and out, and it has nothing to do with this one, which actually protects the water from getting in and out. So as you can see, this one here is very frayed and needs to be replaced. In order to do that, there's just two screws, one down here at the bottom and then another one up at the top, and that's it. And then you just slide it on. There we go. Okay, so don't really need a tape measure. You can if you want, but I feel like it's unnecessary. What I'm doing is I'm just taking my old D-seal here, lining it up next to the new one, and I'm going to cut it. It's that simple. Okay, so we have our rubber D-seal, and just want to take those guides and slide those through the track. Come on. It's hard to do with one hand. Success. And that's it. Just slide it the rest of the way up. Okay, so while I was trying to slide on the new D-seal, it was starting to get a little sticky the further I went up. So I've decided to go grab some of this rubber sealant, rubber seal conditioner, and I'm going to spray the track, clean it up a little bit, and then we should be good to go. Put our screw in, and we're good. Alright, so there you go, guys. As you can see, this was a fairly simple process, easy installation, and the product only cost $60 off Amazon, so I highly recommend doing this yourself if you run into this issue. Once again, if you did find this informational, please hit the like button and subscribe, and for more videos like this, hit the link up here. My name is Mike with Let Us Stray, and I'll see you next time.